Hello there. Right, we're back just to do the quick flip through of the finished folio lapbook. Okay, right, my closure. I didn't know how to close this. I didn't want to put sari silk on it, so I just got a strip of leather and made like a belt, I guess. Just sewn it on. Sewn a loop, which just slides on like that. It seems to work quite well. Right, so this is the cover. It's just some stamping, card, a few brads. You remember I was going to put the Paris material on the front. I couldn't get it to look right, so it ended up on the back. which is lovely because, you know, it needed something. Spines are done. As you can see, it dried fine. And that's how elastic for our journal. And inside, nice deep pocket. Couple of tags just for you to decorate. Inside on this blank pocket I put another pocket, decorated that one up, just a bit of ephemera. Nice little notebook to keep all your details in. Little shabby dabby doodah envelope tied up with string with, where are you? There you are. Secret little note to be put in there, or tickets, anything you like really. Okay, left a blank page for you to add photos, clip on bits of memorabilia. This pocket I thought looked a bit blank, so I've added another pocket, popped some tickets in, and behind here there's one journaling space in that front pocket, and then there's a tag behind. This one is quite a bulky little pocket, just a plain tag and some more bits of ephemera to journal on. Okay, still in frame. Popped in an airmail envelope. Don't see many of those anymore, and just some more journaling space. Okay. Okay, the journal we've done. I just decorated the front with a little plate. Did some stamping on the pages. Stencils when you're doing your tea dyeing. Pam at the Paper Outpost. It's a great video on that. So easy. Okay, obviously your journal you can take in and out. Add. So when all the paper gets filled up, just make yourself another one. Okay. Inside, the gatefold we made has little button on the end. Very cute little tag in this cute little pocket. The Ritz, bit of notepad there. Some more little tags and our booklet we made. Okay, and this, the more you use this, the easier it is to put your string round. And the envelopes, just decorated them up, bit of stamping, collage tag. Inside there's some postcards, some old postcards, some dollars, another little pocket on there with some tickets in, another pocket on this envelope with a ticket closure and some more little tags inside. Tucked behind, because obviously another pocket, a couple of vintage playing cards. More vintage, another vintage photo. And just a page. This was from a calendar, which I just cut down. I thought appropriate to our travelling. That's London. And this one, we'd made this pocket. That was one of Yvonne Preston's pockets. Another pocket on top of the pocket. Tags. Lovely old bit of ephemera there. And I just decorated the top. Because I don't think I'd got an aeroplane, so I thought I'd pop an aeroplane picture on. And of course, this is our fold out. Okay. Tucks all back in. There we go. And right on the back, another little tuck spot, a couple of cards, and an envelope for popping any little bits and pieces in. So, that's it. I am so happy with how this turned out. And thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you've got any comments or you want to ask me to make something else, if I know how to do it, I'll have a go. If not, you can watch me fail. But either way, it'll be a laugh. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.